Hi, namaste. Thank you for joining me. I'm just going to show you a few short yoga stretches that you can enjoy after your run. First things first, always take off your trainers. Send them some love. Trainers are full of support, which is great for when we're running, but we have all the support that we need in our feet. We just need to free them up sometimes. So take off your shoes, take off your socks, and let's hit the mat. Begin by grounding through the soles of the bare feet. Take one hand to the lower belly and one hand to the top of the chest, and notice the quality of your breath. Lift the toes, spread the feet, and bring the heels from the floor, rocking back and forward between tiptoe position and lifting the toes. Stretch the toes, release any tension in the feet. Step the right leg back, the left leg forward. Gently bend the left leg. The right heel may not touch the floor, that's fine. Invite a stretch down the back of the lower leg. Allow the hips to remain square, the chest to remain lifted. Step the right foot forward. Step the left leg back. Take a bend to the right knee. Invite a stretch down the back of the lower leg. Step the left foot forward. Settle the breath once more. Step the feet wide apart, only as comfortable as is for your body. Turn the toes out, lift the chest, lengthen the spine. Exhale, draw the tummy muscles in and up, and hinge forward, leading from the chest. Keep a tiny bend to the knees. Invite a stretch down the back of the upper leg. Stay there if that feels comfortable, or perhaps bring the hands towards the floor to where is right for your body today. Allow the breath to move in its own rhythm. Lift the hands forward, begin to lift the chest, and turn the feet to face the left leg. Shorten the stance. Allow the hips to be square and hinge over the front leg. Keep a gentle bend to the front knee. Allow the breath to continue. Take a bend to the knee, turn back to face the front of the mat, and spider the hands towards the right side, adjusting the stance, adjusting the hips to allow the hips to remain level. The width of the feet depend entirely on your own body. Be comfortable and only move towards where is comfortable for your leg to stretch. Keep the chest lifted, allow the shoulders to be relaxed. Step the left foot forward. Bring the feet together. Find a comfortable position in a forward fold. Keep a soft bend to the knees. Step the right foot over the left. Allow the rear knee to have a tiny micro bend. Perhaps you might notice a stretch down the outside of the leg. Lift the chest. Step the left foot over the right, hinge forward, again allowing the hips to be square. Lift the chest. Step the left foot to the correct side of the body and begin to bring yourself to a standing position. Lift the heel of the right foot. Take hold of the ankle. Allow the knees to remain beside one another and perhaps invite a stretch down the front of the thigh. Here you could use a strap or a belt around the ankle if that's better for you. Keep the breath moving. Replace the foot. Lift the heel of the left foot. Hold on to the ankle. Invite a stretch down the front of the leg. Replace the left foot to the floor. Settle the breath and begin to lower the knees down to the floor. Come to a seated kneel. Take a breath in, raise the left arm overhead. Turn the gaze towards the arm if that feels comfortable for you. Replace the left hand. Raise the right hand up overhead. Invite a stretch through both sides of the body. Replace the hand. Take both hands to the top of the thighs. Breathe out, send the hands forward. As you breathe in, lift the chest. Breathe out, round back, scoop the tummy muscles in. Breathe in, lift the chest, lift the heart. Lift up the right arm overhead. Take the hand behind the back and perhaps clasp onto the fingers. Use a belt or a strap if the fingers don't meet. Invite a stretch down the back of the upper arm. Swap the arms over. Lift up the right hand, clasping onto the fingers or using a belt or a strap. Replace the hands. Connect back in with the breath. Take a hand to the lower belly, hand to the heart. Make yourself a sense of gratitude for your run and your physical yoga practice today. Draw the hands to a prayer position at your heart center. Take a breath in. As you take a breath out, take the chin towards the chest. Namaste. And I thank you for sharing your practice with me today.